Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The National Museum of American History is where the abstract idea of a nation becomes something you can touch and see. It houses the artifacts that have defined the American experience, from the original Star-Spangled Banner to the innovations that sparked the Industrial Age. It's a place that captures the messy, brilliant, and constantly evolving story of a people, showing how individual dreams and collective struggles have shaped the world we live in today.
I was born in Honduras and decided to become a U.S. citizen last year. The reason for me to vote is to remain engaged. The moment that I stop caring, the moment that I become cynical, I think that would be
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.